right, I gotta tell you what we're doing today. It was this point back, about a couple weeks ago, we wanted to go further back that way and explore. But it was so damn cold, we wasn't able to do it. And then the last time we was here, we walked around the pond. Yes, it is actually a pond. And we didn't go any further than this. But today we are. It's still cold, but not as cold as that one day. I want to go and see what's back there. And you guys are coming with me. Today is actually an adventure, an exploring venture. Let's do it. Alright, I'm going to walk back here through this stuff. I wouldn't bring her back here, honey, because she might get loaded with burrs. I'm going to walk back here and see what this sign says, and I got a funny feeling it's going to say no trespassing. Let's look. Hang on, right here's that sign. Right over here on this tree. Right here. Oh, it says Dearborn County Park, no hunting. There we go. Well, we're not exactly sure what we're doing because, let me pull back out this way, trying to keep from tripping, but it's all wilderness up through there. I'm tempted to go off trail, see if Ange wants to do it. And down here, way down yonder, looks like might be a home. I don't know. And that's my doggy barking. Okay, we're gonna walk up to Ange and Stormy real quick. Look at her. Just look at her. She wants to come to me. What is up with that? She's wanting to come to me. What, I can't get 3 feet out of your sight? Okay, after talking about it a little bit, we are best to stay on this for now. We're gonna go up to the pond, walk around it, maybe find something we didn't explore last time. But adventure's adventure, guys. It doesn't matter if you've been on it 100 times or 1,000. You always see something you never seen last time.
Yeah, like snow.
And out here, what, hon?
Like snow.
Yeah, it's snowing. Out here, you can't deny the beauty. Now, I'm going to tell you something. First day back, I go fishing. We'll be right down yonder right there. That's right. I'm going to fish it. And then I'm going to explore this. And I'm going to love this. And you know what? Shut up, Mike. Show some beauty. See, I can shout like that. There ain't nobody around for miles. It is so freaking awesome. Can you guys tell I get fueled up when I come to nature, man? I mean, who wouldn't? Look at this. Who in the hell wouldn't love this? My God, it feels like I'm home. Maybe that's what I is. Maybe I is an animal. Maybe it's where I belong. Hell, I might be Bigfoot. All right, guys, let's get some beauty, and hopefully the snow doesn't kind of get on the viewfinder, but if it does, overlook it. I'll be back here in spring. Oh my gosh, yeah, we went off the trail a little bit. Just so we could get some extra walking in. But my gosh, look at this beauty behind me. Oh, snow's picking up a little bit, but it's not bothering anything. It's actually making me more excited for this video. Just saying. So I guess we're gonna walk around here. As you notice, Angie's got Stormy today. That way I could be free to videotape, and she's having all kinds of trouble with Stormy. She doesn't mind at all when Angie has her. Oh my gosh. If you can see how she's walking right now. Look at this. So many smells out here for her. Of all these animals. She definitely does not want to behave. And my gosh, Stormy, you need yourself a haircut. Holy girl. Mother Nature's been horrible so far this past week. Actually, it's been this week. Temperature's been so cold, I ain't been able to do my morning walks. And when that happens, it aggravates me. But that's okay. I hit it when I hit it. But today I could have done my normal morning walk, but instead I came out here. I came out here to do a trail, do a hike. But look at this beauty behind me. I mean, seriously, look at this. Man. Are you guys jealous? I'm jealous over myself. I was watching this video. I'd be like, dang, Mike. That's pretty, man. It is pretty, isn't it? Oh, there it is, guys. I'm going to pretty much close it out here. When I get back to the car, which we still got a good piece to go, I'm going to sit up and get the intro of the video. That's a lot of work in case you guys ain't figured it out. It's going to be about 3 camera angles. And I have to put the camera on my tripod, and yeah. So guys, this is it, man. This is it. I'm in Dearborn County. I'm at a pond I'm going to go fishing at come spring. And this is a piece of beauty. This is what we call a true hidden gem that we found about, I'm guessing, a little bit more than a month ago. Holy. Guys, enjoy your day, man. And if you got any woods or anything out there, get out there and explore. Do what we doing, man. I tell you. This is what I needed. This is what this ticker up here needed. That's right. Because every time I get out here in beauty, it changes me. It feels like I'm one with nature. Until next time, we're going to try to do another venture again and again and again, straight. Until next time, come on. Let's get out of here. But not so fast. I only got to here real slow. Suck in God's beauty. The Creator. My God, it's beautiful. All right, we'll see you next time.